Proteins are the building blocks of life. Imagine them as tiny, intricate machines that carry out all the essential tasks within our bodies. From fighting diseases to digesting food, proteins do it all. But for a protein to function correctly, it needs to fold into a specific, complex three-dimensional shape. This process is called protein folding. Think of it like origami, but on a microscopic scale. A flat sheet of paper needs to be folded in a precise way to create a crane or a dragon. Similarly, a protein needs to fold into the right shape to do its job. If a protein misfolds, it can't function properly, and might even cause diseases. Understanding how proteins fold is crucial for developing new medicines and treatments. For example, if we know how a protein misfolds in a disease, we can design drugs to target that misfolded protein. However, predicting how a protein will fold is incredibly complex. It's like trying to solve a giant molecular jigsaw puzzle where the pieces are constantly moving. For decades, scientists have been trying to crack the code of protein folding, and that's where AI enters the picture. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful tool in many fields, and protein folding is no exception. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, AI seemed poised to revolutionize protein folding prediction.
Scientists trained AI algorithms on massive databases of protein structures, hoping that AI could learn the rules of protein folding and predict the three-dimensional structure of any protein, even those not yet studied in the lab. This sparked immense excitement in the scientific community.
AI-powered programs like AlphaFold, developed by Google DeepMind, made headlines for their remarkable accuracy in predicting protein structures. In some cases, AI even outperformed human experts, raising hopes that we were on the verge of solving the protein folding problem once and for all. However, the journey of AI and protein folding hasn't been without its bumps. As with any new technology, there have been some notable failures, reminding us that AI, while powerful, is not infallible. While AI has shown great promise in predicting protein structures, there have been instances where it has stumbled. One such case involved a protein involved in Alzheimer's disease. AI algorithms predicted a specific structure for this protein, which turned out to be incorrect when scientists